Welcome to Uncommon DevOps Wisdom by Uncommon Sense Consulting. Ever wondered what an SRE does? In the intricate world of tech, the term SRE pops up quite often. SRE stands for Site Reliability Engineering, a discipline that incorporates aspects of software engineering and applies them to infrastructure and operations problems. The main goals are to create scalable and highly reliable software systems. Imagine a bustling city with its roads, bridges, and buildings. Now think of an SRE as the architect, the builder, and the maintenance crew all rolled into one. They are the ones who construct the city, ensure it functions smoothly, and fix any issues that might arise. In the digital realm, this city is the complex ecosystem of software applications, databases, servers, networks, and the cloud. An SRE is responsible for the entire life cycle of a system, from its design and development to deployment, operation, and refinement. An SRE's role involves a diverse range of tasks. They write code to automate the creation and deployment of infrastructure changes. They design and implement tools to help monitor system health, diagnose issues, and improve the overall reliability and performance of systems. One of the key practices of an SRE is embracing a culture of blameless postmortems. This means when things go wrong, and they will, the focus is not on pointing fingers, but on understanding what happened, why it happened, and how to prevent it from happening again. An SRE also spends a lot of time on capacity planning. They are the ones who ensure that there are enough resources to handle the load today and in the future. They must also ensure that these resources are used efficiently. Another critical aspect of an SRE's job is managing incident response. They are the first line of defense when something goes wrong. They troubleshoot, diagnose, and often fix issues before they impact customers. In essence, an SRE is a problem solver. They are the ones who ensure that the digital infrastructure, the backbone of almost every modern business, is robust, scalable, and dependable. To sum up, the role of an SRE is multifaceted and vital. They are the builders, the caretakers, and the problem solvers of the digital world. They ensure that systems are robust, reliable, and ready to handle whatever load they might face. They foster a culture of learning from mistakes and improving systems constantly. Their work is crucial to the smooth operation of any business in the digital age. So, the next time you navigate through a website smoothly or an app works seamlessly, remember, there's an SRE working tirelessly behind the scenes, making sure everything runs like a well-oiled machine. Subscribe to the channel for more Uncommon DevOps Wisdom by Uncommon Sense Consulting,